Okay, hello. So I just installed new OS. It's called Key4 OS, and it's pretty good. The experience was so smooth. There is Windows XP theme, so there is other theme like theme switching. Oh wait, maybe that's on. Okay, let's start with the desktop first. So usually I like to have different kind wallpaper for each virtual desktop. But now there is widget on KDE 5, and this is so good. Like you can show some picture in slideshow like this, and if I have some drive, I can eject from here without me pressing this, and yeah, it's easier. And then this is interesting because I can show what's inside the node directory. So instead of cluttering in the node directory and I forget about it, I can show it here and I always make this to keep clean. So I already installed this. I can just delete this, or I can see what is inside, and this is pretty cool. And I can have sticky note, and yes, with with some color that you can choose. So there is some color, and you can show calendar too, although the calendar does not have any to do because just plain calendar, but it's pretty nice to see what or what did and the progress. Oh, I'm currently on week 37, this second week of this month. Yeah, I think that's pretty cool. You can see other option of the widget in here, and then you can just add. Oh, let's example this catwalk total CPU usage, and I can put the plugin in here, and I configure it that it's so running when the threshold is 7%. So let's make it running. Let's see, I think I can just convert some video using handbrake, and it's gonna running. Okay, the directory is invalid because the result, I think, save as. Wait, so let's put it on home for temporary. So it's running. It's pretty cool, right? Okay, now I'm going to stop it so it can rest. And then there is Amor. So this is a cool cat or creator that walk around on your desktop, and there is some option for. Wait, let me hold you, please don't move. Wait a minute. Okay, let's put it on top here. Okay, I think. Okay, nice. There is some creator, and you can choose for white cat or black cat, and you can show random tips. Yeah, it's just nice to make your desktop not boring. And then what I want to show you is the installation. So, oh, okay, I want to show the theme switcher. Let's see on the desktop, and that there. Oh, I think this is wallpaper theme. I forget where I can change it, but I look switcher. Okay, it's not a theme but a look. Okay, and then you can choose from Windows 7, Windows 7, yes, Windows XP Dark, Windows 11, or you can use the default from the Linux KDE 5, and that's pretty cool. And I prefer the Windows 7 because it's kind of nostalgic. Oh yeah, I want to show this widget too. This is a widget too that's called music widget. You can find it there, and I use this with Clementine. So what's cool is because let's see, let's I'm playing a song, right? And then close this. It's still playing here. And if I press next, it's going to change, and it show the title in here. So it's kind of cool. I can pause it, I can mute. So that's the music player that working in the background. And then I want to show, I think this is the last. This is the default from KDE, and this is Key4OS Software Center. So there is two options. You can use the Discover or the Software Center. In the Software Center, there is limited application, that is 61, but this installation is pretty awesome. So let's see, if I want to install Chrome, I can just press install, and then it will open installation wizard like when you open the Excel file, right? I can just press next and press install, and it's going to install, and it's pretty straightforward. So this is featured application, and then this is Discover Manager that show a lot of Linux application. So let's see, I want to install a game called SuperTalk, and my connection pretty slow because I still download this. But if I press this, I just need to press insert the password, and it's just going to install. And that's how easy to do installation in here. And okay, I got error because I cannot install multiple app at the same time, so I need to wait this complete, and then I can do it in here. But yeah, I think because Chrome is pretty big, let's see the other feature. Okay, I think this is the control panel. There is this and the device. If you want to eject something, I can put it in the bottom, but I put it here because I already have this widget. And then this notification, and this is clipboard, so you can paste multiple things. So let's see, first, second, third, or let's just open Wikipedia, right? Or maybe just this, copy first, second copy, and then I will copy this, and then I open the Git again. I can press Super V, then I can choose which one I want to copy, right? So I can press this. Wait, I think this is safe, right? Okay. Then I can copy it, and I can choose the other. So I think it's kind of easier to copy paste multiple things at the same time. And then this Chrome is done. I can just open Chrome then. Of course, no, okay. And then how easy. But let's put it another time. And let's see on the Discover try this again for super tuck. Okay, and then it start, and after it's complete, then you can see it here super tuck. So I think it's pretty easy. If you are a newbie and you want to try Linux, you don't need to use any command line to do any installation or any setup. You just use the GUI application to install it. And then, okay, for the screenshot I use this. So this is called Flamesuit, and I used version 12, and then I can super F screenshot anything that I want. So example, I screenshot this and I can draw in here, and then I can make a line, arrow. It's pretty cool, and there is a lot of other functionality. You can copy and paste it on WhatsApp or something, so you put it into clipboard. So when you want to upload screenshot but you don't want to save it, but if you want to save it, you can just press Ctrl S or this button and it will save it. And there is this is widget too, so you can edit this. I think you can delete this, and then you can change color, you can change the tools into pen again, and that's pretty cool. Let's see, let's save it, and it's going to save with title test as a screenshot. I can see it in download. See how cool that is. There is some, yeah, this is built in from the GUI the image viewer. I think that's it. Let's see if the super tuck, I think still pretty long, so I think that's it. 12-minute video. Thank you for watching. Okay, the download is complete for super tuck. Let's try playing it for a bit. I think this is the story. Okay. Oh, this is like Super Mario. Okay, I think that's the mushroom to make it bigger. Robot button and I roll and jump. Okay, I think that's it. Let's play it another time.